Plenty profitable and autonomous businesses that can change your economic life. Having a profitable and autonomous business is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's not just about money.
No.
It's about time, freedom, and building a solid future for yourself and your family. That's why I'll show you 20 autonomous and highly profitable businesses you should consider investing in. This will give you the financial freedom you deserve. Number 20 is creation of apps. The world of mobile applications is constantly growing, and the opportunities are endless. Millions of people use apps every day for all kinds of activities, from organizing their schedule to exercising. And the best part is that you too can have your own app, even if you don't know how to program a single line of code. How to do it? Remember, in these businesses, the idea is to invest some money for long-term success. So the key is to build a team. There are online platforms like Rolodell, Upwork, and TopTal, where you can find talented freelancers, programmers, and designers ready to work on your project. First and foremost, find an idea that solves a problem or makes people's lives easier. Make sure your app is attractive and intuitive, and use Google Ads and Facebook ads to promote your app. Number 19, vending machines. Would you like to have a business that generates passive income 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? Vending machines are the answer. They are an excellent option for those looking for a profitable business that is easy to manage with low initial investment. First, choose a good location. Places with high foot traffic like universities, offices, hospitals, or public transport stations. Then select the right products for your target audience. Beverages, snacks, personal hygiene items, research, and offer what people need. Maintenance is key to the success of this business. Ensure your machines are clean, in good condition, and always stocked. The key lies in automation. It's that simple. Number 18, YouTube. YouTube has become a powerful platform where people search for and share a wide variety of information, from tutorials to in-depth analyses. YouTube offers a window into global knowledge and opportunities for creative entrepreneurs. On YouTube, content diversity is key. You can create educational videos, practical tutorials, product reviews, inspiring narratives, and more. The key is to identify a specific niche where you can add value and stand out. Today, thanks to advances in artificial intelligence, it's possible to create high-quality content without showing your face. Tools like voice generators and video editors allow you to focus on content rather than personal appearance. While reaching YouTube's monetization requirements may seem challenging at first, it's an effort that can pay off once your channel is monetized. Videos can continue to generate passive income month after month through advertising, YouTube Premium memberships, and sponsorships. 17th, car wash automation. The automatic car wash business is an excellent option due to its ability to operate with minimal human intervention once established. To start, you need to select a strategic location with easy access and high vehicular traffic. It's crucial to invest in high-quality automatic washing equipment that can offer efficient and consistently high-quality service. Automation in this business is achieved through systems that control the washing process and customer payments, reducing the need for constant staff. This allows for 24-hour operation generating income even when the physical location is closed. This type of business is profitable because it can serve a large number of customers in a short period, thus maximizing the return on the initial investment. Additionally, automatic washing attracts customers for its convenience and efficiency, especially in urban areas where time is valuable. 16. Rent cars to Uber and generate passive income. Imagine generating passive income with a fleet of cars. Now it's possible with car rentals for Uber drivers. The demand for Uber drivers is constantly increasing, creating a significant opportunity for those looking to invest in this business. You can start with a single vehicle and expand your fleet as you generate more income. It's important to select reliable, safe vehicles with good fuel efficiency and, of course, excellent drivers. With good management and some effort, you can become a transportation entrepreneur and generate passive income while you sleep. 15th, master the gas station market. Gas stations are more than just places to refuel. They are strategic points offering a wide range of products and services, making them highly profitable businesses. The key to success in this business lies in income diversification. In addition to fuel sales, you can offer light mechanical services, car washes, convenience stores, ATMs, and even restaurants. Efficient inventory management, cost control, and customer service are crucial to maximizing profits in this business. With a solid strategy and a committed team, your gas station can become a landmark in your community. 15. Create your own online store. E-commerce is booming. Creating an online store has never been easier. There are intuitive and accessible platforms that allow you to design your own virtual store without needing advanced technical knowledge. The key to success in e-commerce lies in finding a profitable market niche, offering high-quality products, providing excellent customer service, and developing an effective digital marketing strategy. 13. Rent bicycles. Get on the green wave. Sustainable mobility is on the rise, and bike rental has become an excellent business option. Automated bicycle rental systems make managing this business even easier. Users can rent a bike through a mobile app and return it at any available station. Offer different types of bicycles to meet your customers' needs, such as urban bikes, mountain bikes, or electric bikes. Promote your business as a sustainable transportation alternative and contribute to creating a greener future. 12th, automated laundromats, clean and easy money business for all conditions. Automated laundromats are a business that withstands everything. People will always need to wash their clothes, no matter the economic situation. Automation is key to maximizing efficiency and profits in this business. State-of-the-art, industrial washers and dryers allow for washing and drying large quantities of laundry in less time, resulting in higher income. Offer additional services like vending machines for detergent, fabric softener, and other laundry products. You may also consider offering home delivery service. I recommend having these types of businesses near studio apartments, where residents prefer to maximize space and seek convenience and services like automated laundromats. This strategic approach will not only meet a specific local need, but also increase demand and the frequency of use of your facilities. 11th, rent spaces. The future of work business co-working has become a booming trend in the workplace. Renting co-working spaces is an excellent business opportunity for those who own commercial spaces or offices that can be adapted to this new working model. Create a welcoming, inspiring, and functional environment that fosters collaboration and productivity. Offer different types of workspaces such as individual desks, private offices, meeting rooms, and common areas. 10th, affiliate marketing. The future is on the internet, and affiliate marketing is the gateway to digital success. Imagine earning money by promoting other people's products without worrying about production or shipping. With affiliate marketing, it's possible the strategies are endless and the results explosive. Imagine earning commissions for every sale you generate, even while you sleep, with dedication and smart work. Affiliate marketing allows you to build a profitable online business from anywhere in the world. Don't waste any more time. Affiliate marketing is a real opportunity to achieve financial freedom. 9. Construction of private storage units. Do you have empty space on your property that you're not using? Don't let it go to waste. Turn it into a source of passive income by building private storage units. The demand for storage space is on the rise. Construct storage units of different sizes to meet your customers' needs. Offer flexible rental options, 24-hour security, and convenient access. You can automate tasks like rent payment and surveillance with smart security systems. Transform an underutilized space into a profitable business without needing to be present all the time. Number 8, stock market. Yes, you've heard about it everywhere, but think about it. Do you want to build a solid financial future and secure your retirement? The key lies in making smart decisions today to enjoy a worry-free tomorrow. The answer lies in the stock market, where your money can grow while you focus on other things. Forget the idea that investing is only for millionaires. Anyone can do it, regardless of your income level. There's always a way to start. It's not about getting rich overnight, but having a long-term strategy. Building wealth in the long term requires patience and consistency. It's a process that builds over time. The key is financial education. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Learn to read the market, understand its trends and patterns. Identifying investment opportunities and managing your risk is crucial. There are online courses, books, and free resources that can help you become a smart investor. You can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or ETFs, diversifying your portfolio to minimize risk. Diversification is a key strategy to protect your investment. Educate yourself financially, invest wisely, and watch your money grow exponentially. Over time, you'll see the fruits of your effort and dedication. 7. Arcade machines. Who doesn't like to have fun? Turn fun into a profitable business. Install video game machines, pinball, foosball, or pool tables in strategic locations with high foot traffic. Diversify your machine offerings to attract a broader audience. Offer games for all ages and interests, from classic retro to the latest market trends. Make sure to keep them clean and in good working order. Generate passive income while providing moments of fun and entertainment. 6. Electronic device charging stations. In the digital age, energy is indispensable. Capitalize on the growing demand for electronic device charging and create a network of strategically located charging stations. Install charging stations in places with high concentrations of people, such as malls, airports, train stations, restaurants, cafes, or universities. Offer different types of connectors to accommodate a variety of mobile devices. Provide fast and efficient charging service so your customers can charge their devices in the shortest time possible. 5. Passive income with real estate. If you're looking to build a solid wealth foundation and generate passive income in the long term, renting out real estate properties is the answer. Acquire rental properties in strategic areas with high demand. You can invest in apartments, houses, commercial spaces, or land. These investments will not only provide you with monthly income, but also allow you to diversify your portfolio and reduce risks. Offer your tenants a safe, comfortable, and well-maintained place to live. Tenant satisfaction is key to maintaining high occupancy rates. Good customer service and efficient property management will ensure low tenant turnover and higher profitability. Moreover, efficient management will allow you to optimize operating costs and maximize your earnings. Renting out real estate properties enables you to generate passive income while your investment appreciates over time. Take advantage of capital appreciation and build a solid wealth legacy for yourself and your family. As your income grows, reinvest in new acquisitions and expand your real estate portfolio with each new property. You not only increase your income, but also strengthen your position in the real estate market. Step by step, you'll build a passive income empire that provides long-term stability and financial security. 4. Monetizing videos on Facebook. Are you passionate about creating video content? Facebook offers you the opportunity to monetize your talent and generate income doing what you love. Create engaging, informative, or entertaining videos that captivate your audience. Explore different formats like tutorials, reviews, gameplays, vlogs, or music videos. Build a strong community on Facebook by interacting with your followers and consistently posting content. Monetize your videos by enabling Facebook in-stream ads. As your audience grows, so will your advertising revenue. Promote your videos on other social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Building blocks to make money from advertising. 3. Creating a blog. Do you enjoy writing and sharing your knowledge with the world? Creating a blog can be your ticket to financial freedom. Choose a specific market niche that you're passionate about and have expertise in. Create high-quality, original content optimized for SEO that addresses the needs of your audience. Remember, it's easier now because you can rely on artificial intelligence. Monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, selling digital products or consultancy services. Promote your blog on social media and collaborate with other bloggers in your niche to increase visibility. 2. 24-hour customer service stores. Modern life demands practical and accessible solutions 24 hours a day. Capitalize on this need by creating a 24-hour customer service store. Offer essential products such as food, beverages, personal hygiene items, cleaning products, over-the-counter medications, or pet food. Install automated vending machines to streamline the purchasing process and reduce the need for staff. Locate your store in strategic areas with high foot traffic 24/7. Implement a comprehensive security system with surveillance cameras and good lighting to ensure the safety of your customers and business. 1. Traditional physical businesses reinvent the classic. Success lies in the traditional. Sometimes what seems outdated can be the key to modern success. Don't underestimate the power of traditional businesses. These businesses have endured over time for a reason. Although the digital world is booming, physical businesses remain an excellent option for entrepreneurship. Barbers, restaurants, among others, face-to-face interaction creates a unique connection with customers. Choose a sector that you're passionate about and have experience in. Passion and knowledge are fundamental to success. Conduct market research to identify the needs of your target audience and competition in your area. Knowing your audience is crucial. Offer high-quality products or services at competitive prices. Quality and value. Attract and retain customers. Differentiate your business with a unique added value. As you can see, there are endless business opportunities for those willing to take action. The key to success lies in identifying a market need, offering innovative solutions, and working with passion and determination. Thanks for watching.